but I would never dream of using it as a weapon. Number one, because it takes so long to open.
Arabic Alphanoidz.
Let's just show you briefly. If you press N on your keyboard, you pull up the pencil tool, and zoop, you can just draw those in. Select these, make it like that, copy it. There you go. So this is how the hair would have been put in with a mouse. You can hear it clicking away here. You know, I say it every time. Cheap, heavy mouse is the way to go, because it can take a good bashing, and if somebody comes into your studio, you can swing it like a weapon. And I wonder, all the freelancers at home right now watching this, or even all of the people that work from home, do you have a weapon near your desk? Answers in the comments. Answers in the comments. I know I do. Jesus Christ! If I showed you the armory that I have, you never know what's gonna happen. You know, I advise everybody to get one of these. A battle beast. Now, what's the legal name for it? Key weapon. No, key weapon ball. Hey, no, that's not it. It's certainly not that. Yeah, there you go. One of these, but much longer. Key out the monkey ball. That's what they call it. Monkey fist. Monkey fist. Because you usually always have your keys on you or near you. Monkey fist ball. There he is. Now I have a longer one, and it is a fantastic weapon. Number one, you can find your keys a lot easier. It's handy to hang them up with, and Jesus Christ, Lord forbid you have to take someone down. This will probably kill them, and don't blame it on me. But see, I'm locked out. See, 7 minutes left on this Pomodoro. I'm just goofing around looking at this website. No, not this part. Not that part. That part. Super things. My kid is all about super things, and so am I. And I'll like expand on that at some other stage. But what were we talking about? This? Yeah, about keeping weapons near your desk. You should. You really should. You know, let me tell you, most robberies, home invasions, etc., happen during the day. Now I have security cameras, I have dogs and all that stuff. It's sort of physically hard to get near my front door without me seeing them. But you know, I've seen and heard a lot of people get robbed or get their house forced entry to their house just as you're putting the key into the door. You know what I mean? So there's a rapscallion waiting for you near your door or near your apartment entrance, and you know, just as you are putting the key into the door, they rush you. So the idea of having the weapon on your key. Now, I've never had to use it. I did swing at a dog before. I'm always getting into fights with dogs, and I did clonk him on the side of the right in the rib cage, and off he went. But I've practiced with hitting trees, smashing blocks and things like that. It is lethal. But I don't know. Don't take my word for it. Don't carry a knife. That's number one. I do actually carry it. Oh man, look. I do actually carry a knife, but it's sort of for my outdoorsy stuff. I carry one of these fellas. Not one of them. One of these fellas. Folding credit card knife. Invaluable thing. Folding credit card knife. Yeah, that's the one. Very handy, but I would never dream of using it as a weapon. Number one, because it takes so long to open. But they're cool. So what I'm trying to do is paste him into the other artboard. So you can see, look at this. If I go scale with object, copy, go into all Arabic artboards. Okay. Delete him, paste them in. You can see when I paste them in, the stroke has changed. And it's infuriating because I did select scale with object. So let's go all the way in here. You can see down here it says scale with object. This says scale with object. We go in here. Okay, that one doesn't have it. That one doesn't have it. Okay, try it again. Copy. You know, this video is an experiment, but it is capturing what it feels like to be doing this all day. There's always little niggly things like this. Fantastic. So now the next thing is to export each board. Aha. Okay, so they're not named. Oh, they are named. So for some reason I based this on a previous Japanese file. So what I need to do is take all these slices, select all will be nice, and delete them. Then go back into my layers. Yeah, see this is where it falls apart because I've bits and pieces all over the place. But that one you don't need. Yeah, it's not the easiest to use on the fly. You really have to be organized, which I am not. So what I'll do is the old-fashioned way. Grab the artboard, take the name, copy it, select it like this. Because I'm just doing this for a demo. Export it. See, that's the wrong slides. So it was 1920 PX. Wait a minute. Now it is PX. A minute ago it was PT. I don't get that, man. Let's get the... there we go. Bring him in. Actually, just check what size that came in at. Yep, 1920. So it's strange, man. I have... That says points. Then I go like that, export. Then it goes to pixels. I know, it's exactly what I wanted, but... Should it not be consistent? I don't know. You go like this, pre-compose. You select this down here, pre-compose. We call it tab. Tab BG. Beautiful. Now we find this one, mole main. See, I'm not being consistent. It should be main. It should be tab main. Chow main. Chow main. And alt. Whoa! See that? Time's up. There you go. Now let's drag in the rigged character and start messing around. Rigged, there he is. And he should line up nicely with this. So what I'm doing is I'm making a second animation for the reveal. So, you know what, man? I'm a fool. I went through all that. Yeah. Oh man, I don't need him here. I need the just the background. Right. Because we already have the file named, watch this. We just go artboard, save, replace, and then go back into After Effects. It will update itself. Beautiful. Okay, so that's the benefit of having your files named correctly. So this is a composition. He could be like a 3 second, a 4 second loop maybe. So just trim comp to work area. It was there. That was the man when I was growing up. That's what the well. There you go. Let's see.